Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel your Webull subscription. Step 1. Open the Webull app on your mobile device or log in to the desktop version. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon or your profile photo, which is usually found at the bottom right on mobile or top right on desktop. Step 3. Go to your settings and then tap on Account and Subscription. Step 4. Look for the active subscription, and this could be Level 2 Market Data, Advanced Tools, or any premium plan that you have enabled. Step 5. Tap on the subscription that you want to cancel, and then you will see an option that says Cancel Subscription or Turn off Auto Renew. Step 6. Confirm the cancellation when prompted, and make sure that you do this before the billing cycle ends to avoid being charged for the next period. And I have here an optional step. If you have subscribed through an Apple App Store or Google Play, you can go to your App Store subscription section and cancel it from there. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.